Hi everyone, it's that time of the day again. More maths. Okay, so another busy maths lesson for us today. You're going to need counting objects. You're going to need your part whole. You're going to need your tens frame again today. So make sure you've gathered all of those things together. Okay, right. The first thing that we need to do is you're going to use yourselves to do this job. So we're going to get our brains warmed up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a numeral like this. And then I'm going to ask you to do two things. I'm going to ask you to shout its name at me and then do that many things. I might ask you to do that many claps, that many head pats, that many stamps or jumps or whatever. Okay? Are you ready? Let me shuffle them up. We don't want to start with that one. You've already seen it. Here we go. I'll show you it. Are you ready? I want you to shout it at me first. That's right. It says 4. Okay. Can you do 4 jumps for me? Well done. You ready? Here we go again. What does it say? That's right. 6. Okay. Can you do 6 claps for me? Fantastic work. You ready? Let's keep going. 1. That's right. It says 1. It's a funny one, this one, isn't it? 1. Okay. 1 jump. Brilliant. Well done. Keep going. 5. Fantastic. Can you do 5 spins? Well done. Let's keep going. Shout this next one at me. 2. Well done. 2 stamps. Shout this next one at me. 3. Well done. Can you do 3 claps? Good. Okay. I'm going to play again. This time, what I want you to do is I want you to make this number, represent this number with your counting objects. Okay? So tell me its name first, and then use your counting objects to represent it. Okay, so this one again, it says 3, and you're going to make 3 with your things. I would use my cubes. I've got cubes again today. Maybe I need to go get some more sweeties. 3 sweeties would be nice. Are you ready? Here we go. So when I change the picture, shout the number name at me, and then see if you can make it as fast as you can. Are you ready? Here we go. 4. Well done. Okay, represent with 4 things. Excellent job there. Well done. I can see that some people have done it in lots of different ways. There's a 2 over here and a 2 over here, 2 and 2. Well done. Well done. Okay, are you ready? Shout this next one at me. 6. Fantastic. 6. Remember, it's all curly. All of it's curly. 6. Represent 6 with your counting objects as fast as you can. Well done. Good job. Good job. Here we go. Shout this one at me. Ready? 1. Well done. Okay, you ready to represent 1? Good. Well done. That was an easy one. That was an easy one. You ready? Shout this number word at me. 5. Okay, use your counting objects. Represent this numeral. Fantastic. Last one. Shout this number word at me. 2. Brilliant work. Well done. Make 2 for me with your counting objects. Good job. Well done. Okay. Hopefully, you've got your fingers and your brains warmed up, ready for your mathematics. Okay, let's try something new. Okay, boys and girls. So, I have another picture for you today. You remember how the other week I was showing you a picture of a garden centre? So I bet you recognize this as well. So this is a picture of a kitchen. And you can see all sorts of bits and bobs around there. So for this quick game, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need your part whole, and you're going to need your counting objects. Okay? So we're going to play a game called Spot It. I'm going to ask you to spot some things in the picture, and then I want you to represent what you see with your part whole. Okay? Here we go. Can you see the bowls on the shelf? Some of them are purple, some of them are yellow. Can you represent those with your part whole? Press pause and have a go. Welcome back. What did you see? Shall we have a look at my part whole and see if yours is the same? Here is my part whole. So I can see 3 purple bowls on the top shelf. Now I don't have purple, so I'm going to represent the 3 purple bowls with these red cubes. 3 is a part. You say. Well done. 3 purple bowls. Each one of these represents a bowl. Then on the next shelf, there were 2 yellow or orange bowls. Did you see those 2? I'm going to represent those bowls with these 2 cubes. 2 is a part. You say. 3 is a part and 2 is a part. Now remember what we have to do. We have to combine these 2 to find out how many altogether, to find the whole. 3 is a part and 2 is a part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the whole. You say. 3 is a part, 2 is a part, 5 is the whole. Well done, everybody. So, here we go. Say after me. 3 is a part, 2 is a part, the whole is 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. There are 5 bowls on the shelf. Let's try one more. Spot how many jars are on the shelf. Pause the video and count the jars. See if you can represent the 2 parts in your part whole model. Welcome back. So, what did you see? How many jars are on the shelf? That's right, there are 8 jars. But did you see what 2 parts there are? Shall we see my part whole model and see if yours looks the same? Did you see that there were 2 different types of jars on the shelf? Yes, some were purple, some were orange. Some had green circles on them, some had pink squares. Those differences will help represent the 2 different parts that made the 8. Here's what I saw. I saw 1, 2, 3, 4 jars with pink squares on. And I saw 1, 2, 3, 4 jars with green circles on. 4 is a part, you say. 4 is a part, you say. Well done. 4 is a part and 4 is a part. Now, we've counted them, haven't we? So we know what the whole is. But let's do it all together. So 4 is a part, and 4 is a part. The whole is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Did yours look a little bit like mine? Fantastic. Now, 8 is an important number today, okay? Let's say our sentence together. 4 is a part. 4 is a part. The whole is 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Well done, everyone. For this next little bit, everybody, you're going to need your 10 frame and some counting objects. Okay, now what I need you to do is we are going to have a try at representing the number 8 on our tens frame. So you grab your tens frame, grab your counting objects, press pause, and see if you can fill it with 8 things. Well done. This is what mine looks like. I've got 8 on here. Let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes on the tens frame. Right, wait 1 second. Let me jumble up these cubes and see what you think. There we go. I've jumbled up my tens frame. Do I still have 8 cubes on my tens frame? Shall we count together to check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I've still got 8 things on my tens frame. Okay, let me jumble it one more time. There we go. What do you think? How many objects do I have on my tens frame? Yes, that's right. I've probably still got 8. Shall we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here's something for you to do. You'll have some numerals left from the other day. If you don't, you can make them very quickly just by writing some numerals down on slips of paper. Have a shuffle and pull some out. Here you can see on my screen that I pulled out the numeral 7. I know it's 7 because it's got 7 spots on there and I counted them. I also remember what it looks like. Now the other thing that you're going to need is you're going to need 2 tens frames with your counting objects. Here's the game. Take a numeral card and make that number in different ways on your 2 tens frames. You can see here that I have 7 in one tens frame. I also have 7 in the other tens frame, but it looks a little different. Press pause now and have a go. Well done. Did you have a go at a few different numbers to make on your tens frames? Fantastic. Excellent job, everybody. Now, can you see the number line I've put on the screen? Good. I want to get back to our 8. Can you see the numeral 8 on the number line? Point to it if you can. Did you find it? Well done. Okay, now here's a question for you. Which number is 1 more than 8? Which one comes after 8? That's right. 9. The numeral 9 comes after 8. 9 is one more than 8. Okay, which one is one less than 8? Which one comes just before 8? Well done. The number 7. 7 comes just before 8. The numeral 7 is before 8 on our number line. Well done. Okay, here's another little challenge for you. I wonder if you can have a go at drawing the number 8 at home. So let's try the number 8. Okay, I have my pen here. Have you got paper and a pencil handy? Excellent, everybody. Right, so we're going to start at the top. That's important. Just like our letters, most of our numerals start at the top. Okay, and we're going to go curl and curl. What does that look like? It does, doesn't it? It looks like the letter S. And now I'm going to curl back again and join up. There is the numeral 8. Why don't you have a go? Write it a few times on your piece of paper. Well done. Did you have a go at writing the number 8 a few times? Well, it's a tricky one. It's all curls though, so that makes it easy. Now here is your last job for me. What I'd like you to do is get your grown-up to help you draw another number table, just like mine here. Now you can see I've written 8 on one side and not 8 on the other side. I'd like you to hunt your house for things that might represent the number 8. I've got over here an octagon. An octagon is a shape that has 8 sides and 8 vertices. It represents 8. In the not 8 section, can you see what shape I've used? It's a triangle. Now a triangle is not 8. A triangle, do you remember, is 3. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. I wonder, can you go and hunt lots of things that are 8 or not 8 and take a picture of it and share with me in an email? Press pause and have a go. Well, thank you everybody for joining in with maths again this week. Thank you for helping me investigate the numbers 6 and 7 and 8. Please remember to send me an email of your table of 8. I'd love to see what you found that represents the number 8. Okay, everyone, I'll see you again soon. Bye.